Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
And 5. Correct. This is what we were looking for. Greater than 5 years of service. Looks okay. Right, let's test it. Okay. And let me test it. Run. Okay. (18) 18 workers are there who have more than 5 years of service. Does it look okay? 9 years of service. Yes. Great. The 8 years of service. Right. 9 years, 2 months and 9 days. So 9 years of service. Perfect. 9 years, 1 month. 9 years. 8 years, 11 months, 8 years. Looks okay, isn't it? 8 and 9. Only 8 and 9. Nobody else. What happened to Logan? Logan has 22 years. Why is Logan not appearing in the report? Only 8 and 9. What about people who have 5, people who have 6, 7, 8, more than 9? What can be the problem? Just taking a second. It should take you to figure the date okay. But then when I created the filter, I said greater than or equal to 5. Isn't it? Yes, yes. Yes, sorry, morning and voice was. There was some disturbance in the background. I couldn't understand what you said. And try again. Can you come again? Mohan, I'm saying we have to test your work with 5. Still didn't get it completely. You said it's greater than or equal to 5. So what should we be using in the filter? But what is the problem here? Is it something to do with our delimiter? Now we are getting the data correctly right. 9 years, 8 months and 0 days picked up 9. That looked okay. But some of the records are missing, like for sure. Logan McNeil has 22 years. Why is Logan not appearing in the report? We should use 5, and greater than 5, next to date. But I am using greater than or equal to. That is the operator. Okay. So that is definitely greater than 5. But then what is happening? What is happening here? Well, just specify it here. Yes, 5. Yes. That is what we should do. No, that is what we do. We specify the value that we want to compare against. That is what we did. So nothing wrong here. What I'm asking is there any problem with our approach? Is there any problem with the way we are doing the calculation? Or is there a more fundamental problem that we are trying to? Are we extracting one character? No, we are not extracting one character. We are not extracting one character. One character for comparing. No, see our objective work to find out people who have spent more than 5 years in the organization. Right, so that's what we are trying to do. Now let me give you the answer. We are trying to compare a text with a number. That is what we are doing wrong. We are trying to compare a text with a number. So what we are doing here, the output that we are getting is exactly correct, but the problem is our logic is wrong or the field that we have used for that is wrong. You see what happens. Remember when we were talking about the order in the business process, and we said A, B, C, and A1, A2, A3, and so on. And I said why we don't use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember? Did we have that discussion? Why we don't use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Right. So if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, and 10, and 11, and so on, how Workday will arrange it? Because if it is a text, how it is arranged? After 1 it is 10, and after 10 it is 11, and then it does this. So I have said greater than 5. So this is where I have put my pointers. Greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5. So now, what do we have? We only have 8 and 9. Right. 10. 11 is considered to be less because it is comparing text to a number. What were and where is 22? Let me just put it here. So 22 will be after between 2 and 3. Right. Logan has 22 years of service, but it actually comes here. So it is considered to be less than 5. So what is? So? Is there something we can do to fix this? Convert the text into numeric. Absolutely. We have to convert the text to a number. Okay. We have the value. We have extracted it correctly, but we have a function, you see, which talks about converting a text to a number. Because we cannot compare a text to a number, because if we do that, apparently it works, but it doesn't give you the best results. Right, so we have to convert the text to a number and then proceed with the calculation. Let me show you how. So what is the field here? This is the field. So let's do it. It can feel. So we did all of it correctly. we were able to extract the data, but the problem that we had was let's say, number of years from length of service, and instead of substring text we are going to use convert text to number. Right. Business object is worker. And our function is convert text to number. Okay. Now, when we are doing it, you see again. Let's put the text field.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.